Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware of the CD players and the mixer. I will tell you step by step. We need two USBs already plugged in, so let's start on the laptop. First of all, you need to go to the disk utility. It's already here. Okay, these are the two USBs. First I need to erase. You need to erase both USBs. I'm going to rename this one Deejwl 8 GB. It needs to be formatted to FAT32. If you don't find it here, it should be, you can do the MS-DOS FAT. It will be FAT32 later on. I'm gonna erase the first one. Okay, the first one is finished. The second one, let's erase it as well. Okay, also you need to change the name. This is the old name. This is the new name, 32 GB. These are small USBs, but only for the update. Erase. Okay, the second one is done. So after you erase the USBs, you go to Google, you search for CDJ 3000 firmware update. This is the website. It opens this one. We scroll down and we go to the download link, which is version 3.20 download link. First one is downloading, and then we go to DJM-REC firmware update. Also, this is the website. It opens to this one. You go to the download page. It opens this one, and you go down to here, download link. It's also downloaded. You go to downloads. It opens two zip files. You have to unzip. This is the first one, and this is the second one. These we don't need them, we can delete. Okay, these are the two USB. This is the 8 GB. Let's put the 3000 on it. The USB needs to be empty, only this file on it. And the second one, the E9 on this USB. Now we wait. This one is done, you can eject. Okay, find it closed. Okay, cool. And this one is done as well. And now we go to the CD players. Oops. I have my gold bar and I have the second USB. Let's go to the CD players. So apparently they changed the way how to update the CD players. Before you used to like press some buttons together for it to enter the update mode. But now, since we only have the update firmware here in my gold bar, you just have to put the USB and turn it on, and it should detect by itself the update file. So by now it should update like, okay, cool. So apparently they didn't update and ChatGPT was wrong. First of all, you need to plug the USB inside the player. You need to press the N button and the reloop button. Keep them on hold and turn on the CD player. And now it should enter like the update mode. You should be holding these buttons. Okay. Connect your storage device into top USB port. It's connected. Okay. So I have changed the USB. Let's check if this one works. Every DJ's nightmare. Alright, it's checking for the update file and it starts updating automatically. Now the power off on before using. So we turn it off, we remove the USB, we turn it on, we go to the menu utility, info, okay, it's version 3.20. So this is the first one is done, and you do the same for the second one, but now I will do the mixer. And okay, for the mixer, you need to put the USB first here, and it should be toggled to the USB, and you need to press the effect on off button and the mid frequency button, and you turn on the mixer. It automatically entered the update version. It's currently at version 1.05 to version 1.12. it's at 2% and we wait now.
A few moments later.
So apparently the mixer takes 5 to 10 minutes to update, but finally it did. It says complete here. So we turn it off, remove the USB stick, and then we turn it on, and it should says version 1.12. Yeah, version 1.12. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video and leaving a comment. Please check the other videos, how I clean my DJ set and how I connect the DJ set and arrange the cable in a proper clean way. I will see you next time in a new video, DJ trick or DJ tips or a vlog. See you soon. 2%.